So, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. I'm here to present my selected families in monocots and dicots. So, akong gipili sa monocot is ang Hypoxidaceae. So, the family Hypoxidaceae is commonly known as the stargrass family. It is a small family of monocotyledonous flowering plants primarily found in the southern hemisphere, particularly in southern Africa. So this family consists of approximately 9 genera and nearly 200 species, with the largest genus being Hypoxis, which alone accounts for about 70 species. So, sa katong 9 nga genera, ako lang gipili is ang 8 ka buok, kay dili na ko makita ang isa sa Google. So, we have here the Hypoxis. The first one is the Hypoxis, the Curculigo, the Hypoxidia, the Molinaria, the Impodium, the Pauridia, the Rhodohypoxis, and the last one, the Spiloxine. So for the genera Hypoxis, I chose the species Hypoxis hemerocalidea, or also known as the African potato. So inani siya og forma like sa iyang grass, and then ang close up dayon nga picture for its flower is this one. And then the next one is the genera Curculigo. I chose the Curculigo capitulata, or also known as the golden Curculigo. So, mo ni iyang close-up picture sa iyang flower, and then mo din ni ang katong sa iyang whole nga ano gyud apil ang leaves. So, the next one, we have the genera Hypoxidia. So, I chose the species Hypoxidia rhizophylla, and wala ko'y makita nga flower sa Google, kay lahi ang mga ngalan nga manggawa, so ang leaves na lang ang leaves gipili. So, inani siya. And napoy close up na picture sa iyan leaf. And then the fourth one, we have the Molinaria. So I chose the species Molinaria latifolia, also known as the broad-leaved Molinaria. So inani siya og forma sa kung makita nimo siya apil ang iya leaves, and then close up picture na yun sa iyang flowers is nani. The fifth one is the Impodium. So akong gipili nga species is ang Impodium veratrifolium, or also known as the West Coast Star. So inani siya og picture, and mo ni ang close up nga nawong sa iyang flower. And the sixth one is the genera Pauridia. So I chose the species Pauridia bulbifera, or also known as the bulbous Pauridia. So dili ko sure ani kay mura siya Spiloxine, pero mo ini gawas. So inani iyang forma sa flower. Wala ko nakakuan kayo sa iyang leaves. And then the next one is the Rhodohypoxis. And akong gipili is ang Rhodohypoxis baueri, or also known as the Barr's Rhodohypoxis. So na siya laylay nga mga color na ay magenta, then light pink, and ano siya, light pink, then marami po siya light pink, pero medyo dark siya sa previous one. And the last one, we have the Spiloxine. So, kung gipili is ang Spiloxine capensis, or also known as the Cape Spiloxine. So, inani po siya forma Nani. and and for its distinguishing or diagnostic characteristics, its leaf shape is linear or lanceolate. Its leaf apices is acute to acuminate. Its leaf basis is sessile but without a petiole. Its leaf texture is usually hairy but can be seldom glabrous or smooth. Its leaf margin is entire. Its leaf venation pattern is parallel venation. Ihang leaf phyllotaxy is alternate and mostly tristigious. It is arranged in 3 vertical ranks, and its leaves are rosculate. Yung root type is a modified. It is modified into a corm or rhizome. It is geophytic siya, and a hang arrangement of flowers on stem. These flowers are borne on a leafless stalk. Ayan, types of inflorescence is racemose, corimbose, or umbel-like inflorescences. Inflorescences. Its stem, base rin sa kukat, pero invisible stem ang makabutang dito. It is modified into a corm or a rhizome. And then its growth form is small to medium herbs. Perennial herbs ni siya. Its plants is about 100 to 500 millimeter tall. So, yeah. So, ang iyahang napod siya ay economic importance. So, it has its medicinal uses. It is also used as an ornamental plant. Taste modifying agents food siya, and it has its cultural significance. And for the next one is the dicot. So I chose the family Burseraceae. These plants are trees, and so the Burseraceae family, commonly known as the frankincense and myrrh family, it comprises a moderate-sized group of flowering plants that includes about 17 to 19 genera and approximately 540 to 860 species. So this family is primarily composed of resinous trees and shrubs native to tropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australasia, and the Americas. So members of this family are notable for their aromatic resins, which have significant economic and cultural importance. So, sa katong kadaghan nga mga genera, 5 lang akong gipili. So, we have the Boswellia, the Bursera, the Canarium, Commiphora, and the Proteum. So, first, sa Boswellia, akong gipili is ang Boswellia serrata. So, inani siya, medyo blurry ang picture sa TV, pero inani siya ang forma. Apil siya leaves. So, next one is ang Bursera. Akong gipili nga species is ang Bursera microphylla. So, inani siya ang forma. Wala siya sa TV, and then sa iyang leaves dahil na isa namin. The third one is the Canarium. So, dili indicum ang yung species na medyo na mali lang kuha ni kay basta may errors. So, kuha na ni siya Canarium Schweinfurthi, or also known as the African elemi. So, inani ang ihang forma. Ihang tree kay inani siya kadako. Inani kadako ihang tree. And then mo din ihang bunga. Kaning species. So, the next one, or the fourth one, is the dili siya Boswellia. Kuha siya Commiphora plant. So, I chose the Commiphora africana. Inani iyang forma sa iyang dahon. Inaani. And then mo din ihang bunga gyapon. So same ra gyapon sila sa canarium, pero ay nga gabunga bunga gihapon siya same sa canarium, pero lahi lang og color ang iyang mga bunga. So the last one is the proteum. So I chose the species Proteum grandifolium. So yan yung forma sa iyang leaf. And then kani siya kay nakuha ko siya sa Google nga nakakuan siya asa ni basta mo na to. And for its diagnostic characteristics, so its leaf apices is acute to acuminate siya, often having a pointed tip. Its leaf bases may be concave on the adaxial side. It is typically cuneate, rounded, or lobed. So yung leaf texture, coriaceous siya or leathery, and may be gland dotted, which is produce of aromatic resins. And then for its leaf margin, entire siya or serrate, depending on the species. So magdepende gid kung sa species siya sa iyang leaf margin. And yung root type, fibrous ang iyang roots. And then sa leaf venation pattern niya, pinnate siya with prominent midrib and secondary veins that may be reticulate. Sa iyang leaf phyllotaxy, it is arranged alternately along the stem, with some species exhibiting spiral phyllotaxy. With the arrangement of flowers on stem, its flowers are typically borne in an axillary position or a terminal position, often clustered in groups. Iyang types of inflorescence, raceme siya, it is also a panicle or cyme, so often determinate in growth. Yung stem is woody with smooth, sometimes flaking bark that is aromatic due to resin production. So iyang growth form, from small shrubs to large trees. So muna kung pasabot nga kuan gid sila anong mga kahoy-kahoy something, often with a spreading or rounded crown. Its stamens, one or two whorls, with the number of stamens being equal or twice of that of the petals. So they have distinct filaments and are usually dorsifix. So it is attached at the back. And then sa iyang leaf shape dayon, it is elliptic, ovate, or lanceolate in shape. So dili taning economic roles, diretso na to sa so ang iyang economic roles. So sa iyang habitat and food source, it provides habitat for food for various animals, including insects, birds, and mammals. So sa soil improvement dayon, some members of the Burseraceae family are nitrogen-fixing plants, which help enhance soil fertility. Sa resin production din niya, the resin produced by the Burseraceae plants can deter herbivory by making the plant less palatable to herbivores, and can also protect against pests and diseases. Sa ihadeng forest structure dayon, Burseraceae contribute significantly to forest structure and diversity. Account for a notable percentage of tree species in both humid and dry forests. Then sa ihadeng aromatic resins, so ang mga ga-produce o mga aromatic resins is katong mga Boswellia species o comifera, katong frankincense o comifera or myrrh. They produce highly valued aromatic resins used in incense, perfumes, and traditional medicines. So napod siya medicinal uses pod. So kani Boswellia serrata katong first nga species nga atong um gi gipakita dire sa Brusteraceae nga family. So it is utilized in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for their anti-inflammatory properties. So ang myrrh kani is used to promote blood flow and relieve pain. Sa iharing timber products dayon, ang Bursera cimaruba or also known as the gumbo limbo provide valuable timber for construction, furniture, and small boats. So the wood is durable and comparable to mahogany or birch in quality. Then sa edible nuts and fruits din niya katong atong gipakita kaganina, species like Canarium, dito siya indicum. Wait. Canarium schweinfurti. Canarium schweinfurti. So they produce edible nuts. For example, the pili nuts and fruits that are economically important as food sources in tropical regions, contributing to local economies. So mani ihang kasabot nga katong mga pili nut or katong mga nuts nga mga edible na ilhang gina produce. So that's all. Thank you.